You got it.
Learning doesn't always have to come from textbooks. Sometimes it needs to be physical.
Bacon.
Exceptional students at Riverdale High School are learning to cook pancakes.
Y'all started a bubble?
The goal? To gain vital life skills.
Money, and other stuff, and other real life stuff that you needed to learn to be an adult.
There are so many things that we take for granted as people. You know, we can go to a restaurant, we can look at a menu, and we can order whatever we want, and we can tell them, you know, we don't like tomatoes on our burger. So the server puts no tomatoes on it. Where my kids aren't always able to do that. You know, they have to really practice to read a menu and see what comes on a dish and be able to tell that they don't like something on it and ask for it not to be on it.
Students also learn how to fundraise by holding bake sales throughout the year. The money helps pay for their baking ingredients as well as class field trips.
So a lot of the programs in Lee County high schools do participate in what we call community-based instruction. It's CBI. So for the life skills curriculum, it is a part of our curriculum that we go out into the community and we learn some things. Not every school does it every week. Sometimes they do it once a month, and it depends on where they go. Everybody does something a little bit different.
Having fun and preparing students for the road ahead. Win-win. This has been Kesny Guirand from Lee Schools TV.